Every product has a story, and in today's construction world, that story begins in the digital space. Revit families allow manufacturers to bring their products directly into building designs. Revit families are silent salespeople, helping products get visualized, coordinated, and specified faster. Think of Revit family as a digital product sample. Just like a physical sample helps an architect understand your product, a Revit family does the exact same thing, but inside their BIM model. If the digital sample works perfectly, they keep it. If it creates friction, they replace it instantly. Architects and engineers want families that are lightweight, parametric, and behave exactly like the real product. They need performance data, electrical details, flow rates, mounting heights, clearances, all embedded in the model. Let's simplify the Revit family cycle. It starts with the manufacturer's product data. A BIM content developer turns it into a parametric digital family. This is where the business value comes in. A good Revit family quietly boosts specification rates by influencing product selection early in the design. Revit families aren't limited to one product type. Almost every building component, from lighting and plumbing to doors, furniture, and fire protection, can be modeled. Architects, engineers, and contractors rely on these families daily to design, coordinate, and specify real products. Don't let your products get overlooked. Partner with United-BIM to create Revit families that architects and engineers can trust.